what a treat to have some time, an ever such small gift of time together. I wonder, what are you bringing? What are you bringing with you into this moment?
I am bringing inquiry about myself as a leader of Evolution Coaching Academy.
Yourself as a leader. Okay. And what are the qualities of that topic that you're curious about, or that you're wanting to figure out?
I feel things are changing. Our team has different needs, and they are fluctuating as we grow and evolve. And I'm reflecting on what my role shall be in the new reality.
I'm seeing your hands. What's the direction or the sense of your hands here?
It's beautiful because I have a sense of this the new reality emerging, and I'm very much welcoming it. Very much welcoming.
And your hands are giving us some signals there. And is it, where are you feeling Lilith the leader?
A beautiful question, because I've just noticed some of the sap of the tree that we are here with and have been in connection with.
Yeah.
And when you asked me about the hands,
You can
and I
feel it.
looked, I've noticed that sap here. And then you asked the question about my feeling. So my place is loving people. And that's my fundamental value as well. In community, in relationship. And the love is to people, love is to nature. And there is something that evolution is bringing, which is that way of coaching that brings people together with nature as part of the coaching process. And maybe my role is about bringing up that sense of inquiry and experience to flow through all our members in the community in a way that it's real for them. But there is more, because